What's up, everybody? We got Capricorn today for Celtic Cross. Let's see what you got, Capricorn. First out, Five of Earth, crossed by Mirror of Water, which is the King of Water. And, oh, the Oracle made it in there. Okay, well, this one is close enough to Strength. Okay. Two there. Ten of Fire. Six of Fire. The Actress, which is this deck's Empress. Evolution, which is this deck's Lovers. Six of Air. And Five of Fire. All right, so first out for you, Cap, we have Five of Earth, Five of Pentacles. So this is something feels kind of lacking in whatever way. Could be a job, just could be the environment, whatever. This is oftentimes a perspective energy. So it's not necessarily true, it's just felt. Just kind of feeling like, you just kind of want more, longing for more, but also crossed by King of Water. So you are, balanced with your emotions. You're not getting worked up about it too much, because you see that oftentimes these energies can be temporary, and they can change, right? You can change them by either just enduring it, knowing that it's going to pass, or just changing the situation, And maybe because you are being temperate and balanced in your emotions, you can actually help the situation. What got you to this point was fortitude, or the idea of that, the energy of that. This is also a feminine strength, and it doesn't matter what gender. It's a strength of understanding and helping, and it kind of can relate to that King of Water, because yes, loving, balanced, understanding, and through that wanting to help and change an unfortunate lacking situation. Recent past, Two of Air, so a decision had to be made. Oftentimes one we don't want to make, and we just need to kick ourselves forward, like, all right, let's go, Assess the situation and choose wisely. All right. Possible outcome energy, Ten of Fire. So putting down some burden. The burden is over. The completion of that, the completion of some hard work. And probably glad to finish it. Near future, Six of Fire. So victory. Victory, it being recognized, celebration because of your hard work and your efforts. Victory after the war, after the battle. Celebration time. The energy that you are embodying right now is that of the Actress or the Empress. Abundant, loving, nurturing, fertile, great environment to grow in, to give in. Possibility. Let's see here. Your environment, the Lovers. So maybe you're in an environment of, it's also a choice energy. So maybe there's another choice coming. Choice of the heart. choosing what's best for your heart. Either be your higher self or another person, situation. So, another choice energy. And hopes and fears, 6 of air, that you'll move forward, and past whatever you're already kind of energetically moving past. Taking what things of value from the past, leaving what didn't work, moving forward with the lessons you learned to the new horizon. Outcome, 5 of fire. So there will be, looks to be some competition. A little conflict, but this is basically, those energies of just jumping into life, Everybody has a different opinion, everybody has a different way of seeing things, and everybody's just pushing their will forward. And a lot of times you can actually learn from this competition, so-called conflict, come up with new, better ideas, better ways to solve things and see things. It's kind of, a lot of times it can be, let's say you're, in charge and you've got all these personalities, finding what the strengths in each, and how to have them work together, even though they're different. And so, the 10 of fire, so we're ending a big task, a big project, the completion of that. So, and then there's a new project. So, bottom of the deck, a little extra insight here. 8 of water. So yeah, you're walking toward something that serves you. A new life situation. Leaving what doesn't serve you. All right. Y'all have a good day.